Greetings! I am Philippe, freelance Belgian photographer, and after 10 years in my host country, I am embarking in a journey around the Malaysian peninsula to discover or rediscover its beauty and diversity. Anne is my wife, a talented artist and videographer, and our two dogs, Layla and Patty, are with me to live this experience. Do follow us and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. This episode is about something in Kuala Sepetang, Matang, that we visited for the first time. The Joss Carving Factory. As mentioned previously, we have been many times to Kuala Sepetang. I rode my scooter to the village a dozen times from Ipoh. However, we had never heard about this unique Joss Carving Factory, but by pure coincidence, Annie's read about it in an article from the New Straits Times. It is located near the Matang Museum. The workers, mainly from Myanmar, allowed us to go around freely and capture great moments on the site. The owners were not present. Joystick here are made of paste of a local tree called Kayu Teja, also known as wild cinnamon tree, since 1982. The paste is transferred to a machine for compression to form a layer. For the final step, before carving, the dough is rolled in a rolling machine to flatten it. The dough is then laid on wooden slabs, and special shaped metal cutters are used to cut out required shape like dragon claw, figurines, dragon whisker, phoenix tails, and so on. Perfume is sometimes added. The joystick produced in Matang are sold locally, but also exported to Singapore, Hong Kong, and Taiwan due to their high quality. The biggest order comes during the Hungry Ghost Festival in the 7th lunar month. The lunar Chinese New Year is also a favorite period to burn these dragon joystick, especially on the 9th day of the first month. Belief is that these lofty burning joystick will take the prayers of the faithful to heaven, and their sweet incense smell and smoke will attract the attention of the gods. When the owners eventually retire, will the younger generation take over their craft? Even with modern machines and automation, can the artistic element of this traditional craft be reproduced? Only time will tell. But like many other traditional crafts, this art is clearly in danger of extinction in spite of its success. Taiping will be our next destination. Do not miss the episode about the City of the First. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time.